Hi there everybody. So we're going to be working on turning right on 3 different styles of right turns with traffic lights on. So we'll just get to the first one. So we're going to approach the first set of lights to turn right, and you can see them in the distance just past the little star. And what people get mixed up with is when it goes to green, some people think they can just go, and it doesn't necessarily mean you can actually go. It just means that you can proceed to turn right if it's safe to do so. So because there's no filter arrow on there, and a filter arrow is where the arrow is saying that everyone waits for you. Now you can see it's just changed to red, and we're going to be going right. So you've got your own designated lane there, centre mirror right, signal right. Underneath it, underneath where the green light is, there's a yellow sign which reminds people who are not too sure, right turns, beware of oncoming traffic. So as the lights change, I'm going to proceed forward to where the arrow is on the ground, and I have to give way to cars on my right opposite me who are going to come through, because the green means you can go if it's safe. If it's not safe, you give way. So I'm just waiting patiently at the give way point, which is a solid white line. And when they do change, the traffic ahead of me should proceed off. If that's it, they're moving now. So I'm moving forward to the middle. See, the traffic on the right is proceeding forward. So I'm slowing down, getting my position to turn right just before the arrow, and then I'm going to go. And in a busy time of the day when it's lots of traffic, you could be sat there, because as we're sat moving, the lights change. And the only time you're going to go then is when the lights change and the traffic starts coming through, and you've got a few seconds before the other traffic comes the other direction. Now, there's a 2-car rule where I pull forward, the car behind me pulls forward, and the third car would wait at the white line in busy traffic, because otherwise the third car is going to get stuck when the lights change to red if it's busy. So this one we're coming to now is the second one, and it's a right turn into a car park, a coachway car park, and it's a little bit harder because the layout is slightly different than the other one. It's not as obvious, and you got to remember that the green means you can go if it's proceed, if it's okay to go. So I'm going to go right, centre mirror right, and you really want to move your position into the middle there. So I'm just going to show you what, nothing's coming. You want to get your position like that and give way to the oncoming cars at that point there. And obviously, because there's no cars there, we can just proceed to go. And there's no filter arrow there. Now, if you're not sure what a filter arrow is, I'll just show you a picture of what it looks like at the top there. And basically, a filter arrow means that everything waits for you while you go at that point. So the final right turn that I'm going to be doing is on a crossroads, and we're going to be doing near side to near side, which basically means that when I proceed in the right lane to turn right, if there's no filter arrow, it's just a green light, I'm going to go to the middle, turn to the right, and give way to the cars in their left lane coming through. The cars opposite me will come to my right, which is my left, actually their right, sorry, and they will give way to my left. And if it's clear, you just proceed. And if it's not clear, then you wait in the middle until the traffic in the left side clears. So we're just going to cross over here. So I'm just waiting for a safe gap. At the moment, there's no safe gap. So I'm waiting for that 2 cars on the left there. Here it comes. I'm going to make that one quite easy now. So ahead of me is the traffic lights where we're going to turn right. They're on green, so they might change. Yeah, I thought they would. So it's mirror signal right. Oh, that white car went for a red light then, didn't it? Oof, it's risky. So I'm going to go to the middle but turn to the right. I can see over there's 2 cars in the left lane, so they're going to go before me. And anyone in their right lane will turn to my left. And in a busy time of the day, I go to the middle, the car behind me follows behind me, and the third car would wait at the white line. Because it's not a massive crossroads. You know, a really bigger one you might get with 3 cars in the middle. And there's no filter arrow, so you just got 3 lights there. Sometimes you get a filter arrow underneath that will come on in rush hour traffic. So I'm going to move forward at this point. I'm going to take my time and let the traffic get out of my way. I'm going to turn in my position and then proceed. So you don't have a lot of time before it changes. I hope you like this quick one on some right turns with traffic lights on. If you do, fantastic. I'm going to put a couple of little videos below on similar subjects with learning to drive. Take care, everybody. Good luck with your driving lessons.